Now we will be seeing with the third exercise, which consists of the letters G over the fourth finger and then F over the fourth finger. This exercise consists all the letters over the fourth finger. See, G, F, T, F, R, F, then space H, J, Y, J, U, J. This is what the exercise. Let's go. See, G, F, T, F, R, F, space H, J, Y, J, U, J. Sorry. Then G, F, T, F, R, F, space H, J, Y, J, U, J, space G, F, T, F, R, F, space H, J, Y, J, U, J, space G, F, T, F, R, F, space H, J, Y, J, U, J, space G, F, T, F, R, F. See, this is what the exercise. See, only the fourth finger, G, F, T, F, R, F, space H, J, Y, J, U, J, space G, F, T, F, R, F, space H, J, Y, J, U, J, space G, F, T, F, R, F, space H, J, Y, J, U, J, space G, F, T, F, R, F, space H, J, Y, J, U, J. This is what the exercise. Practice this exercise for at least an hour for 4 days continuously, and then you can go through the practice exercise. And the practice exercise will be consisting the words which is inside this G, F, T, F, R, F, and then with the first exercise and the second exercise. So for example, lawyers I have typed for the 3 lines. Continuously type for 3 lines each word in a practice section until you complete the practice section. I will add in the description the practice words. That's it, friends. Don't ever change the fingers. C, A, S, D, F, then G, F. This is what the first exercise. Now we are seeing with G, F, T, F, R, F, then space H, J, Y, J, U, J. This is what the exercise. See you in the next exercise, friends. Thank you.